Hey YouTube, Marko with Marko Custom Models coming to you with an unboxing of this 1970 Monte Carlo 454 SS. This is a kit that's been out before, but this is what's available today, and I just want to show you what's inside the box and what you get. I also want to point out that behind it is the older release of the Monte Carlo that I had actually used to build two of those kits. One was to build the Ace Ventura Pet Detective car that you can see back on a review that I've done, and the other one is for the NASCAR. I use the body for it. So you can actually use this kit today to build either one of those renditions. So here we go. So let's see what's inside the box. We're going to cut her open and let's get to it. So if you cut the box open like this, you can keep the cellophane on the outside so it looks like it's still new on the shelf. Okay, I'll just get the knife in there. Done. Pull the bottom off. And let's see what's inside. Oh yeah, here's the box art. Let's go inside. It's a beautiful box art they're doing on these Round 2's doing on the new releases of AMT and that. This is great. Okay. There's the lid. I'm just going to put that back here. Now, right off the top here, you got the chrome tree. Just that open there. We'll see. So there you go. You got your back bumper, your front bumper, and the wheels. There we go. And get into the glass here. I'm not going to cut that open because I don't want to scratch it up, but there's your tail lights there. You got your windshield, rear window, and headlights, and looks like a jug for under the like a coolant reservoir or windshield washer jug for under the hood. So we got for tires. They gave us some, looks like Goodyear's. Yeah, Goodyear. These are nice. These used to be a solid rubber tire and they hollowed them out so they're a little more flexible. And they got nice detail on them. They say Goodyear on them. So good tires there. Nice. They suit the car quite well. And here's the body. Body, chassis, and floor pan. This has very nicely detailed model this is. You get a separate chassis that is separate from the floor pan, so you can build up a really nice chassis. And this being the same as a 68 to 72 GM body car, there's you can use that on a Chevelle if you wanted to. Okay, you got a floor pan that's nicely detailed. It of course comes out of the body, goes on with the chassis, and then there's the underside of the body. And the body's nice and straight. You can pretty much do a quick little wet sand to that and throw some primer and paint without real consequences, no sinks or anything. So that's a nice clean body. And we get into parts bag here. Slice it open. Okay, so you got your seat backs, your bucket seats front, and then the wheel backs and the pins that hold the wheels on, and that's the back side of it. And this is an air conditioning line for air conditioning detail. You have back seat, fender skirts, and interior door panels that you can detail up real nice. Okay, you got your exhaust tips, your air filter cleaner, and your intake manifold, carburetor, water pump, harmonic setup. This is your brake booster, your oil pan, and we got here maybe a steering box or something like that, and then your steering wheel. It's nice, clean, not a lot of flash, good detail. Okay, open up another parts bag. Okay, you got your big block halves for 454 Chevy and transmission, 400 Trans Auto. You got your rad support, radiator, and you got your console, dashboard there. can turn it the right way up. You can see nice detail on the dashboard, easy to pick out all the gauges and things like that. You have the firewall, you got your fan shroud, fan. These are heater hoses, your air conditioning compressor. A lot of nice detail, engine parts, manifolds, belts. It's a fully loaded car, very nice. You got your differential here with the correct 12-bolt cover. You got your drive shaft and your exhaust and mufflers. And on this tree we got the hood. You got your control arms for the rear differential, front steering knuckles, upper control arms, spring shocks, lower control arms, and the sway bar. What's really nice about this kit is you can cut this out, and with the steering knuckles you can make it steer, just like on my Ace Ventura car. You can see you can actually keep it so it'll steer. So that's kind of neat. So it's posable. Alright, now let's see what's in the bottom of the box here. Get everything out. Nothing else in the box. So inside you get a miniature model box that you can cut out and build. It's always nice because the box art is just beautiful on these kits. You got your instructions, and they're pretty good detail. You know, just basic stuff. Easy to follow. And the decal sheet. So let's just cut that open so we can see it. So you get hood stripes, cowl stripes, trunk stripes, and then some decals for the different plate options. So it's a very nice kit. So if you want, you can pick yours up. There'll be a link in the description below. And if you like these videos, ring that bell for notifications. And please subscribe and have a great day.